Good morning, all of you. Welcome back to the WSSC lecture. This is our second lecture of the WSSC subject. So, in the previous lecture, we have seen the objective of the water treatment. So, I hope that you have go through that objective. You have learned this objective of the water treatment. In this lecture, we are going to talk about the water treatment plant. Basically, there are two types of the water treatment plant. Number one is drinking or potable water treatment plant. Second case is wastewater treatment plant. Okay. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the drinking or potable water treatment plant. So, this is the layout of the drinking or potable water treatment plant. Here you can see layout of the drinking or potable water treatment plant. So, you need to think about the various stages of this water treatment plant and learn from this layout. So, first of all, I will inform you all the stages of the water treatment plant, and then we will understand each stage. Okay. So, first and foremost thing, there is a surface water supply from the various sources of the water to the water treatment plant. That means you are aware about the various sources of the water. Okay. Then this surface water supplied to the water treatment plant. Okay. Now, first of all, I am reading all the stages, then we will understand. Okay. So, stage number 1, coagulant addition and rapid mix. Okay. Stage number 2, flocculation. Stage number 3, settling tank. Stage 4, filtration process. In addition to filtration process, we are applying certain kind of the methodology to treat the water. Which are these methodologies? UV rays, ozone, chlorine, fluoride, etc. And finally, you are getting the treated water. So, let us understand this layout of the drinking or potable water treatment plant. So, you are supplying water to the plant. Okay. Now, first stage is coagulant addition and rapid mix. Now, the function of this stage, we are adding certain kinds of the chemicals here, which is called coagulant, to our solution to form a solid particle in this tank. Okay. So, this coagulant will attract the small particles towards it and form a bigger particle. So, that is the job of the coagulant. Okay. And after adding chemical to this tank, we are mixing it very rapidly in the stage 1, so that all the coagulant addition is getting equally distributed among the tank. Okay. So, this is the stage number 1. Okay. This indicates that we are adding certain kind of the chemical, and this is the tank. This is indicate the blades. Okay. While we are applying the certain kind of the mechanical force to rotate this. Okay. We have a separate arrangement for that. Now, in case of stage 2, after the rapid mixing of the solution, we will mix it very slowly by certain kind of the heavy blades. Okay, or larger blades. So, here you can see we are providing the 3 blades for rotating it very slowly. So, that process is called flocculation. Okay. So, that is the stage number 2. Why we are doing this process? Because after the rapid mix, we need to give the time to all the coagulants to form a bigger particle. Okay. So, in this stage, slightly smaller coagulant is there. In the second stage, we have bigger coagulant is there. While in case of the stage 3, this is the simple tank. Okay. And the shape of the tank you can see. Okay. Bottom it is very thinner, and at upper portion it is very wider. So, by using this design, we are allowing the bigger coagulant particles to settle down. So, settling tank is provided to settle the bigger particles at the bottom. So, that particles are called as sludge. So, that sludge is then removed by other piping network and outside the treatment plant. Okay. Next stage is filtration process. Normally, we have a filter in our house. So, that is at the smaller scale. But while we are talking about the plant, we need to require a big filter. Okay. So, there are two types of the filtration process. Number one, we can filter the water by sand. Okay, and number 2, we have a carbon filter. Okay, so after applying all the 4 stages, still there are certain kind of the bacteria are available in the treated water. Okay, so for that we require additional treatment to that water by applying certain kind of the chemicals or certain kinds of the methodologies. Here you can see the list of the methodology: UV rays, ozone, chlorine and fluoride. So a ray of ultraviolet is passed to the solution to kill all the bacteria which is harmful to the drinking water. Okay, then ozone, similar kind of function is there. It will attract the bacteria and then it will kill the bacteria. Finally, chlorine, fluorine, etc. we are adding to that additional treatment, and at the end you are getting the treated water. Now this water is distributed to the distribution network of a city or any particular area. Okay, now here is the list of all the stages: surface water supply from the various water sources, second point coagulant addition and rapid mix, third flocculation, fourth settling tank. Normally we are calling the settling tank as a sedimentation tank also. As per the Indian standard specification or as per the site locality or the sources of the water, one sedimentation tank is provided. In few plants, 2 sedimentation tanks are there. While we are providing the 2 sedimentation tanks, it will called a primary sedimentation tank and second is called the secondary sedimentation tank. Okay. Now fifth stage is filtration process. As I mentioned earlier, sand or carbon fiber or carbon filter. Then sixth stage water treatment by UV method, ozone layer O3, okay, and chlorine, fluorine, etc. And finally, that treated water, the drinking water is distributed to the network of the pipeline of a particular area or particular city. For animation point of view, now you might have certain kind of the difficulty to understand that the terminology. For that, you need to check this link for better understanding and you need to give the answers which I have asked in this lecture. Thank you very much.